If you're trying to add someone on Snapchat but it's not working, here's why that might be happening and what you can do about it. First of all, make sure you've entered their correct username or snap code. If there's a typo, Snapchat won't find the user. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop the ad request from going through. Then, it's also possible that the person has blocked you or changed their privacy settings. If their settings allow only friends of friends or contacts to add them, your request may be blocked. After that, check if you've already sent a friend request. If it's pending, you will see pending instead of add. Also, if your Snapchat account is temporarily restricted or flagged for spammy behavior, you may not be able to add new people for a while. And lastly, if you've reached your friend limit, which is around 6,000 plus, you won't be able to add more users until you remove a few. So, double check the username, your connection and privacy settings, and you will be adding friends again in no time. And that's all. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.